Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be blow drying my natural hair. I just washed it. It's currently midnight, but I mean I'm awake. This is the time for me to shine. Today I'm going to be using the Revlon One Step Hair Styler blow dryer, paddle brush style. Shout out to my girl Tessa for putting the whole group chat on. The entire group chat. Like, she was like, everybody get this, you need it. And I was like, tonight is the night. So I went and I got it from Ulta, picked it up curbside, and yeah, we're gonna just get rolling because I need to concentrate. I'm gonna be using this Fantasia Heat Protector Serum in my hair, as well as the Tresemme Keratin Smooth. I just want to make sure my hair is protected. It's already, I have some leave-in conditioner, and I also used some oil while I was in the shower, so she's ready to go. Let's get started. So I had watched a video earlier and I started on the low heat just to kind of get it rolling, but in the video, I can't remember, is it? No, that's not her name. But she had said that, you know, she felt that the low heat was kind of still leaving her hair frumpy, so she went up higher and it really straightened out her hair. I'm like, look at how straight my hair is. And I am just doing this so I can do my mini twist and live my best life. So I'm protective styling, so I'm super excited. But if I was straightening my hair, this would be great to like a great base. So I'm going to try to use less passes now that I know. So I'm going to start off on low and then try to just do like 2 passes of high and go from there. So this first section was done on air dried hair. My hair was probably air drying for only 30 minutes though, so it's still pretty wet. And I know that's something some people need to know that it works on, because you may be in a rush and need to blow dry. But I feel like if my hair was air dried, it would take less, you know, passes and all that. So I'm gonna just dry it with a shirt really quick. The best part about 4C hair is how quick you can like towel dry it. Waiting for my hair to stretch when you have 4C hair is literally a multiple day process. So this is such a great way to just go ahead and get my protective style going, because sometimes you just don't have the time. I just want to say, I never thought this was possible for me, you know what I mean? Like, imagine I've been natural. I was natural for 12 years of my life. So no, 13. I think I got my first like texturizer when I was 13. I like begged my mom for it. But even then, my hair was never this long in my life. So I didn't think it was possible. Look at my mane. I'm a lioness. Are you kidding me? Look at my hair. Let me go show my sisters, because one berry, fun berry. right guys, I finished my hair finally. This is what it looks like now. I just finished putting all of my mini braids in. And can we talk about the length? Can we discuss? Check me out. So yes guys, these are the braids. The blow drying process definitely got me to where I needed to be. This was so easy to do. I was able to just sit in front of my TV and relax, and wow, I can't believe this is my hair. Like, look at how long. I can put it in a ponytail and have hang time. I'm honestly so excited about it. Only thing I would change on this is the fact that it doesn't have a medium speed. It goes cool, low, and then high. So that's the only thing. I definitely wish that they had a medium heat, because the low is too low and then the high is too high. That way you can get like a successful blowout, because you don't want to damage your hair with too much heat, but also when it's low, it takes so many more passes, so you just feel like you're damaging your hair, or at least that's what I feel. I feel like any heat is just like too much, but that's just because I don't ever want to, you know, ruin my curls and get heat damage. But I absolutely love this. This is something I'm only going to be using once in a blue moon. As you guys know, I protect this style quite often, so this is just such a great way to get this style done. Also be careful, because this piece does get hot, and I was tending to kind of hold it, because I even hold my paddle brush like this and kind of brush through my hair. So when I would hold it up here, it's really hot on high, like can sizzle your nubs off. So you just be careful with that as well. Besides that guys, I absolutely love this tool. I'm glad I invested. It took off days from my process. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, any tips, your favorite heat protectant, anything like that, please let me know down below. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.